back, neck and head in one line. The pranayama, one dimension of pranayama, there is a sukshma pranayama also is there. Under sukshma means in a micro level pranayama. Micro doesn't mean is insignificant, it has its own role to play. One such in the micro level pranayama, sukshma pranayama, what is called as Brahmari. The significance of the Brahmari pranayama, in the air, the outside air, the analysis they say about 79% is made up of nitrogen and 21% is oxygen. That is what the chemistry says, and only oxygen is absorbed into the body and nitrogen is released. And nitrogen has no value for the body. That is the general understanding. What yoga is talking about and what modern inventions are talking about, this nitrogen has a benefit in the body also. It is not only the oxygen, nitrogen also has a benefit. Now if you go to any pharmacy, they are selling in the health food shops, they are selling nitric oxide tablet. Nitric oxide tablet they are selling. What they are saying that nitric oxide tablets, it will boost up your immunity in the body, and it is very effective in fighting corona. They are saying even Israel, big research is going on. Israel and American scientists have joined together that research on how nitric oxide, taking the medication of that one, helps in preventing the corona. That we need not have to go to nitric oxide tablet from the pharmacy. It produces in the body while doing the sukshma pranayama. When you are inhaling the nitric oxide, nitrogen in the air, when it is going inside, in the sinus region, in the sinual fluid region, water is there. It gets in the micro level because of the humming sound, because of the vibration. It's in the harmonic effect of in the sinus region. It mixes, water mixes with the nitrogen, producing what is called as nitric oxide is naturally produced in the body. And this one, nitric oxide, is generally naturally produced, and it is a good tool for preventing corona. Instead of buying from outside, from at home itself, you practice this one, utilize the nitrogen, and through the harmonic effect of the humming sound, and nitrogen mixes with water, produces nitric oxide. It helps in boosting the immunity from within, and it helps in calming the nerves in the body. People getting the migraine problem, migraine headache, frequent headache, they find this nitric oxide, which is produced naturally, they find this one beneficial. Helps in calming the mind, helps in people with stress, anxiety problem, and helps in settling down within. How to do that one? We will do this thumb and index finger together in Chin Mudra. In two ways we will do. One is A, U, Ma. Extend Ma as long as you can while you are saying A, mouth wide open, A, and U, lips closer, and Ma, that humming sound. Extend as long as you can. To give a general guideline, if you are saying A for the count of 6, you say U for the count of 12, Ma for the count of 24. If it is too long, you can say A for the count of 3, U for the count of 6, and Ma for the count of 12. Mentally, inhale. We'll do it 10 times. Experience that vibration, pulsation in the sinus region by closing your eyes, your lips, ears, nose partially closed, Shanmukhi Mudra. Do the humming sound. Bring your hands down. While doing this one, you notice your mind has become very calm and serene. You are settled within. You feel some sort of joy within. And instead of buying a nitric oxide spray or tablet, this can be practiced at your own home. Nitric oxide can be generated within by practicing at home, and practice this one for boosting up your immunity.